Want your text to stand out without being distracting? A smooth highlight animation is the trick. It's clean, modern, and perfect for tutorials, presentations, or even YouTube videos. Let's head into CapCut, and I'll walk you through how to add this subtle yet powerful text highlight effect. Welcome to Master It Now, where learning never stops. Simple, step-by-step tutorials to help you learn anything and master everything.
In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a highlight text effect in CapCut. I've already placed a simple video clip on the timeline. Now let's add some text to work with. Click Text, drag it onto the timeline, and type your phrase. I'll use time doesn't stop for anyone. Resize and position it the way you like. You can also add in and out animations if you want a smoother look. Next, we'll add the highlight. Go to Media, Library, and search for a solid color. Pink works perfectly, but you can use any color. If you already have a color image or swatch, you can use that too. Drag the color onto your timeline and place it above the text. Now go to Blender, Brighten. This lets your text show through the color layer. Here's where the effect comes together. Go to Mask Rectangle and resize it so it covers just the first part of your text. Adjust carefully so the highlight starts exactly where you want it. Now, add a keyframe at this starting position. Move the playhead forward to where you want the highlight to end. Then drag the rectangle so it covers the entire phrase mainly. Time doesn't stop for anyone. Press play, and now the highlight smoothly reveals across your text. The subtle in and out animations we added earlier make it even more polished. This is a simple but powerful way to highlight text in CapCut. You can refine it further with extra details, but the principle stays the same.
And that's it. You've just unlocked a professional way to keep your text engaging while keeping the focus on your content. Don't forget, every video becomes stronger with the right details. If you found this helpful, Give it a like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments where you